yesterday dismissed a protest by lobby group Jamaicans for Justice, declaring that we are winning. We are winning, as he presented the successes of the constabulary force in beating back major crimes, in particular murders. Chang, wearing a navy blue suit and light blue tie, declared his unwavering support for the JCF, without naming JFJ, which had encouraged Jamaicans to wear black as a show of protest against what it deems questionable police fatal shootings, with nearly 110 such incidents recorded since the start of the year. Chang listed yesterday a long line of successes, including historic low numbers for murders. He highlighted that in the first quarter of 2025, the country recorded 187 murders, marking the third straight quarter of decline since the second quarter of 2024. Even more compelling, and I'm quoting him, quoting from the story, even more compelling, major crimes, murder, shooting, rape, robbery, and break-ins have now fallen for 6 consecutive quarters.